Hi, my name is Becky Phelps, and I am enrolled in the Industrial Organizational Psychology program. My hometown is Fairmont, West Virginia, although right now I'm in Berea, Kentucky. And my current job is working with Partners for Education at Berea College. Um, and my career goals include taking my work farther with Partners for Education and also becoming an independent consultant using my IO psychology knowledge, which leads me to my goals for this course. Definitely to further my work with my current organization. My role is program manager for knowledge development, and so I definitely have a lot of areas that my IO psychology background can apply to my work. And I also really want to deepen my knowledge just about industrial organizational psychology overall, in hopes that I can take my work as an independent consultant even farther. And I think my biggest strength that will help me in this course is that I love to learn and apply what I'm learning. And that makes the information that I learn relevant not only in the future for my career, but also right now in the present moment. And something fun and interesting about me, I'm really creative. I love all things creative and crafty. I love to crochet and to do anything that gets those creative juices flowing. And I also have one little guy, you can see him behind me, and he actually on occasion asks me to read from my course textbooks. And so I find that to be very interesting considering he's two. All right, I'm looking forward to working with all of you in this course, and I'll see you later.